Steve Irwin here, Mike, and today I'm here to tell you about one of my encounters with one of Australia's most beautiful creatures here in the outback. Well, a few months back, I was out shooting some footage for my new documentary, Terrors of the Deep. I was out cruising around for some sharks when a quite different creature crossed my path. See, I was swimming over the reef, taking in all the wondrous beauty in the beautiful reef. Well, all of a sudden, a foster minnow, a stingray, swooped up and took me out, Mike. Oh, I got to tell you, it was such a privilege to be in the presence of such a beautiful animal, to be in its environment. Oh, Mike, it was overwhelming. See, so I tried to take that stinger out of my chest, but it was too late for me, Mike. Nature had the best of me. But you know, stingrays aren't just vicious creatures cruising around, tagging blows to the chest. No, sir. Stingrays must be conserved and protected so that future generations can experience the beauty and mystery. See, now folks think that stingrays all should be killed, that they're the enemy. It's not like that, Mike. You see, the stingray saw all Steve-O here as an enemy. All it was doing was protecting its environment. See, in the mind of the stingray, it's saying, oh, I see this blow coming over my environment, so I'm going to take him out by stabbing him in the chest. Mike, I gotta tell you, the stingray, beautiful stingray, she was an aggressive shooter. She took me out, got the best of me, she did. But that's nature's way. What can I say? So this is Steve Irwin here, signing out. So I hope to see y'all watching my new documentary, Terrors of the Deep.